Hi guys, Tech James here. In this video I will show you guys how to get all 3 of the Quake games for free on your PS Vita. So these are actually homebrew ports of the original Quake games. I think it's the PC version. But anyway, what you guys want to do is just go ahead and open up the Vita shell. And now once Vita shell finally loads, just press select, connect your PS Vita to your PC, and then I will show you guys what to do next. Right guys, so the link will be in the description for all 3 of the Quake games. Here is the original one, here is Quake 2, and then here is Quake 3. So you guys can choose whichever one you want. You can even get all 3 if you want to. For this video, I'm just going to get Quake 3, just so I don't have to install all of them, just to, make this video quicker for you guys. So once you have selected your game, or selected all of them, scroll down and you want to click 2 files. You want to get the VPK, and you also want to download the data files. So just click on both of those options, and it will start downloading the VPK and a zip file for you. So once that has finished downloading, you can now head over to your PC's downloads folder and find both of the files in here. First of all, just get the zip folder, right click it and select extract here. It's just going to give you this file called IOQ3, and basically inside of this file is just all the data files for the Quake game. So this will be the same for all 3 of them. The file just might have a different name. But anyway, on your PS Vita, look for the data folder and just drag and drop the file into there. Now once that has finished copying across, we now need to drag and drop our VPK file. So just get your Vita Quake VPK file and just drag and drop it onto the root of your PS Vita, and that should copy across in seconds. So we are now done with the PC. We can now go back onto our PS Vita and I will show you guys what to do next. Right guys, so back on your PS Vita, we can now install the VPK for the Quake game that we got. So mine will be in my UXO. And I'll scroll all the way down and I should be able to find it in here. So here is my version. I got Quake 3, so just press X again to install it. Now once that has finished installing, we can just back out to our PS Vita home screen, and now we can find our game. So mine should be somewhere on here. Here it is guys, Quake 3, just press X and then X again to start it up. Now these are homebrew ports, so in theory they should be really good. They shouldn't really have like FPS issues or anything like that, and they should have full working sound as well. So it says please enter your CD key, so you can just press start on that part, and now you can just choose single player, multiplayer. Let's just do a quick single player I guess. So they take a few seconds to load up. Just give it 20 seconds before you load the game, and it actually came up with my PlayStation ID name here, so that is pretty cool. Obviously it uses that for the match. So here's a match with sound working. It has the FPS up here in the top, and the touchscreen works on this, which is pretty cool, so you can look around. But yeah, it's actually pretty cool, definitely playable. You can configure settings as well. This is shoot, so R is shoot. So let's try and get a kill here. I probably won't be able to play it like this, but let's just try I guess. Also guys, if we just press start right here, we can go down to setup and just press X on that. We can now go into player and we can change stuff. You just press start to go back. We can change controls as well. So the look speed, the sensitivity and all that stuff. You press start to go back. We've got system settings. So you can change the graphics and stuff like that, and the texture detail. So you can actually make this thing run faster if we are getting maybe a bit of lag. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. Pretty cool, all 3 Quake games running on PS Vita with settings that you can modify. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.